Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Texas chili. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of beef chuck roast, cut into 1-inch cubes, which provides the best texture and flavor. For the chili base, select a variety of dried chili peppers, such as ancho, guajillo, and arbol, to build a complex heat profile. Remember, true Texas chili traditionally omits beans and tomatoes, focusing purely on the rich meat and chili flavors. Next, let's build those incredible flavor layers. Begin by toasting your dried chili peppers in a dry skillet for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant. Then, rehydrate them in hot water for 20 minutes before blending them into a smooth paste. After that, brown your beef cubes in batches to develop a deep, rich crust. Finally, sauté diced onion and minced garlic in the same pot until they are soft and aromatic, creating a foundational layer of taste. Now it's time for the perfect simmer. Return the browned beef to the pot, then add your chili paste, beef broth, and a blend of spices including cumin, oregano, and a pinch of cayenne. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 2 hours or even up to 4 hours, allowing the flavors to meld and the beef to become incredibly tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade Texas chili. Ladle it hot into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes, such as shredded cheddar cheese, diced red onions, or fresh jalapenos. This chili tastes even better the next day, so don't hesitate to make a large batch. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Enjoy every hearty spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.